Hey guys, what's going on? Uh, Today is the third part of the liquor game tutorial. So here, gotta save as a copy, and this time is part 3 of it. So what we're gonna add in part 3 is the shine. So actually I have almost nothing in my backpack, so you can do it yourself. Create a new sprite, paint in it, rename it shine, and draw a rectangle at random position. Just make sure that one edge of it is touching the center, and also remove the outline. So make it like this. Feel completely white. Then click anywhere off the screen of the rectangle. Yeah. So here, gotta approach that to the center and delete the other one. So that will make a result like this. And just copy and paste and turn for the others. So copy, paste, replace. So what I do at 90 degrees is I hold shift, I turn and I position it. So so I select that, I paste, I select shift, I turn like this, and I re-put it the tip on the center. So again, once more, like this, and like this. So now we gotta do the diagonal corners. That's the same principle, just select that, hold shift, turn one time, and then snap it. And do that for all the other particle shines. So now I finished my shine. So in the script, for first thing to do is go to back layer. So it's back the cat. The clicker, the, the clicker sprite. So we gotta put a block that says go to cat. So it always go to cat. So what we want to do is change ghost effect by how many do you think? I don't know. I just gotta choose 45. This and forever turn 0.5 degrees. Uh, which way you want. So let's test that. Right. Now we have a shine. But oh yeah, don't forget to show it here. So let's see. Wow, that was much cooler than before. I just gotta. If you want to add another shrine, just copy what I'm doing. And also, don't forget to put a clear graphic effects on the top of the when green flag clicked. So it resets the graphic effects every time. So like this. I will just make it go backwards.